Today I'm gonna be turning this hoodie into a shark hoodie. Do you see how easy this is? Look at us. And then when you're done, you have teeth. This is what it looks like before, and this is it after. Hi guys, so today I'm gonna teach you how to make something that I've been putting off for ages. Hold on to your hats. Today I'm gonna be turning this hoodie into a shark hoodie. Yay! Ever since I saw this picture on Pinterest, I was like, I can make that because I have this boring plain hoodie. It was like one of my first like big purchases when I was younger because it was from Topshop. I think this was 25 quid and I was like, big spender over here. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. This is what we've got and this is the aim. Let's see if we can do that today. This is the plan. You will need a hoodie, of course, red fabric, white fabric, and fabric markers. You can also use just like regular paint. It's just for some extra little details that I think would look cute. As usual, if you have any questions about anything, just leave them in the comments and I can respond to some. Let's just begin. Step number 1. Turn your hoodie inside out and make a pattern around your hood because we're going to be putting some red material inside the lining of the hood. This is going to be the shark's mouth. You can buy material. I'm just cutting up this old cropped hoodie that I don't use anymore. So I'm going to cut out this material that I need. My main thing, if you're new to sewing, always make sure to leave room for seam allowance. Whatever you think you need to cut out an extra chunk around it. You can always cut down less. You can't make more fabric out of thin air, okay? And then you want to sew it in with the ends touching inside out so that the seam is hidden. You can use a machine if you have one. You can also just hand sew it. You can, if you hate sewing, you can also just use fabric glue. Because we're basically just upcycling this hoodie, we don't need the seams to be like completely perfect. We're not constructing a hoodie from scratch. So you can just use fabric glue if you really need to. Once that's all done around, it's time to move on to step 2. Do you see how easy this is? Look at us. Step number 2. Okay, so you want to make sure that you get the right measurement of how long the perimeter of your hood is, because that's where the teeth are going to go. There's 2 ways that you can do this. One, if you don't care about the teeth being like floppy, you can just go ahead and use regular white fabric, cut out the teeth shape and fully just sew that on like that. I have this old curtain fabric that I used to make tote bags for my one-of-a-kind collection. Shout out. What I went ahead and did is I did that times 2, sewed it together and then turned it inside out just so that it was a little bit more like, you know? Yeah. And then once that's done, similar to how you did it before, sew along the outside edge so that it's all nice and clean. And then when you're done, you have teeth in your shark mouth. Amazing. This is already starting to take shape, okay? I'm so proud of myself. Step number 3. This is the last step. Actually, no. This is the second to last step. Using fabric markers or ink or just regular paint, if you feel like it, you can add some details. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some eyes to the hood, but also I think it could be quite cute to add some dots, like a whale shark, or even like some stuff on the back. Go ahead and add any embellishments that you want. Be creative and spice it up a little bit. I did have the idea of adding fins onto it, but because I kind of want this to be like a little bit more of a low-key, like I actually want to wear this often, I'm not going to do that. But if you want to go ahead and add that, I think that would be so cute. Okay, now this is the final step. You can put it on and wear it, and you look cool. Wow! That's your finished shark hoodie. The final step is wearing it and being cool. And this is so quick and easy. This is what it looks like before, and this is it after. We love our rapid fire smidgezz DIY tutorial videos. I think we're done here. Thank you for watching, I guess. If you did enjoy the video, please make sure to drop a like, and why not share with a friend? Subscribe even? What? If you do make this, please tweet with the hashtag smidgezzDIY. I'd love to see, or comment below anything, tag me anywhere I want to see. I think it would be fun. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday on Twitch, so go say hi to me there. Catch you next week. Catch you on the flip side. This video was so short. Thank you for watching anyways. Bye. Bye.